So I thought I would start this epic fruit feast with a grilled fruit salad. It's sweet, it's salty, it's colorful, it ticks off all the boxes, and it's featuring this, the mighty pineapple, or I call it tropical fruit cannon. Flavor. Okay, so activate slow motion shot of me sabering the top off this pineapple. Let's do it. All right, peaches and plums just need to hit a quick pit stop and they're ready for the grill. So if you want to tell if watermelon is ripe, this is what I like to do. Give it a couple knocks. If it sounds hollow, then you know it's ripe. So this vinaigrette is super simple. A nice big glug of olive oil. And then there's some certain spices that work really well with fruit. Powdered ginger is one of them. And cinnamon's really cool, especially with the pineapple. And just a nice shot of golden honey. Nice big squeeze of lime. It's such a simple dressing. It gives a lot of flavor to the fruit, and then the oil makes it non-stick for the grill. Look at the color of that fruit. It looks delicious, it smells great, and it's ready for the barbecue. Let's grill some fruit. I just give the grates a little squirt of oil. And something really cool happens to the fruit. When you start to grill it, it gets smoky and it gets charred and it starts to pull some sugar out of it. And then with that little vinaigrette, it's absolutely delicious. Even the peaches too, when you can get some nice char marks, it starts out as like a pretty humble fruit, but when you put some char on it and that vinaigrette, it's so delicious, it's so sweet, it softens it, and it's just fun to grill fruit. All right, I got a few more tricks up my sleeve for this fruit salad. I think you're gonna dig it, and man, does that fruit look good. All right, I'll meet you over there. All right, this fruit salad is awesome and all the hard work is done, and there's some vinaigrette left, and this is free flavor, and I don't waste anything in the kitchen. I like to grill the fruit in bigger pieces and then just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. All right, now for the fun part, just a few finishing touches. Give it a nice toss with the berries, and then get a nice serving platter. Just dump it on, keep it really nice and high. This is where you can get really creative with it. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I really love the salty kick in the feta. This is balsamic reduction. It's a little bit tart, so it goes really well with the cheese and the fruit. It's so simple, and then just to finish it, a bit of mint, and there you have it. You can change up the fruit or change up the cheese, but it's easy and it's got wow factor. Yeah, see, that's what you want to do. You want to get a piece of cheese and the charred pineapple. It's ridiculous. It's amazing what happens when you give a fruit a little bit of a char on a barbecue. It doesn't take away any of the flavor of the fruit. It just gives it more. So a super simple grilled fruit salad done in no time at all.